I'm Blaise Bourgeois with Body Balance Physical Therapy. This is part number 6 of our videos for injury prevention with golfers. This one specifically is for low back pain. This exercise I'm going to show you is tip number 2 on our tip sheet. It's for some core stability. It's called the abdominal drawing in maneuver. It's just working on some core exercises. When we get these muscles firing and working properly, it helps protect our back, especially during the golf swing. So for the first step, we'll demonstrate it here. You're going to be laying flat on your back. We prefer you not do this on a mattress. You do it on a firm surface, so you can do it on the floor, on a yoga mat, on carpet. It is very important that your knees are bent up in this position and not straight flat out. The technique you're going to use is like you're going to be pulling your belly button back towards your spine. Another visual that works for our patients is that you feel like you're flattening your back along the floor. So as you lay here, you'll feel on the small of your back like there's a little arch or a little space. So what Cindy's going to do is I'm going to ask her to squeeze tight and squeeze her belly tight and flatten her back against the mat, just like she's doing here. So it kind of pulls that spine flat onto the floor or the mat. The other important part of this exercise is when you squeeze, you have to breathe. You don't want to hold your breath while you do this exercise. This is a good start as far as for core stability is concerned, and I'll show you a tip to use this when you're about to hit a golf ball. So a continuation of the exercise I just showed you is to use that core contraction when you're setting up to a golf ball. One of the things I always caution my golfers with is when you're on the golf course, you hear maybe your friends, or even I've had golf coaches say you want to stick your butt out for good posture. I don't like that because it puts your back in a very arched position, and that is a lot of times the cause of pain that you're having. So we want to put our back in a neutral position. I'm not going to tell you to stick your bottom out because that's going to arch your back. What I want you to do is to bring that same exercise we did on the table when you squeeze your belly in and it flattens your back. So you can still have good posture when you're squeezing your core and you have a nice flat back. Again, what we're looking for is to avoid this position of an arched back, squeezing our belly in, flattening our back, and now we're ready to fire and hit the golf ball, and it's not going to cause us any pain or cause us any injury down the road. Thanks for watching.